Good morning, children. Welcome back again to your English class. In this lesson, you will learn how to write a diary. And this is going to be your creative writing class. First, let's understand what is a diary. A diary is a written record of all personal experiences, thoughts, and feelings. A diary can be considered as your friend with whom you can share all your feelings and thoughts in a written form. Now, what is the importance of writing a diary? Children, many a times you do so many exciting things at home or at school. You go for a holiday, you maybe visit your friend or a family member. So when you write a diary, you can keep a daily record of all the things you do. Now children, let's have a look at the format of writing a diary. A diary entry should have the day, date, time, the salutation, the body of the diary entry, and at the last, your name. So here's the format of the diary entry. First, today's date is written, then time, and then the salutation that says, Dear Diary, or you can write Hello Diary. Okay? Next is the body content, where you have to write all your experiences here, your feelings and thoughts, and last, your name. Let's have a look at today's question. In today's question, children, sentences are already written in the diary entry. You need to complete them. Let's read today's question. Remember the last time you helped your friend with something? There must be many a times you might have helped your friend, isn't it? Write a diary entry describing what you did and how it felt. So you have to write your experience. So when you're explaining your experience, what you did, it's generally going to be in the past form. So you need to be careful when you use the tense. So first, we are going to write the day, which is Tuesday, and then the date, and then the time, and then Dear Diary. And then you start writing your experience. Dash and I are very good friends in school. So you need to write the name of your friend. We talk and dash together. So whatever you do with him, you have to fill in the blanks. Maybe you play, maybe you read, maybe you eat your lunch. Okay? We also try to help each other. Dash was extremely sad when his or her English notebook got lost. Again, you need to write the name of your friend. He was sad, or she was sad, or John was sad. Okay? I felt bad for him. I still remember the dash. What you remember? Maybe you remember how your friend was really sad. What was your friend doing when he lost his English notebook? Everyone in the class was making fun, but what you wanted to do, but you wanted to help him, or you wanted to get a new notebook for him. So you have to fill in the blank here, what you wanted to do. So today I gave my dash to him for a day. So what you gave him for a day to help him, okay? Did you give your English notebook to him or something else? I hope when he or she feels better tomorrow, we will have a fantastic time together. And at the end, you're going to write your name. So today you have to fill in the blanks to complete the diary entry. And in the next lesson, children, you will be writing your own diary entry to complete. Okay? So have fun doing this worksheet, children. We will meet tomorrow. Bye.